Query Builder for Business Central makes it easier than ever to access the Business Central tables and write queries at the database level without having to write any AL code. Select which tables you want to use and join within your query. The Query Builder can access every table within your Business Central environment. This includes your core Business Central tables, your custom extensions, and any ISV products you use. Add any columns to your query by simply checking a box. Add restrictions to any of the fields to filter on your data. When joining tables together, you can select the join type, and you have access to all 5 join types. Once your query is built, you can further customize it by editing your field names, field types, and by adding calculated fields. The Visual Builder takes the complexity out of creating your query, as Popdock is generating the AL code for your extension in the background. After your query is built and customized, click on the Publish button to send your extension directly into your Business Central environment. Stop writing AL queries for your Business Central data. Popdock's Query Builder makes it easier than ever to get at any Business Central data. It's the fastest way possible, all without writing a single line of code. If you have additional questions on Popdock's Query Builder or would like a deeper tutorial, send us an email or give us a call. We're happy to help.